Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. There are days when you want something delicious but don't want too many spices or fancy ingredients. This Goan style tomato potato roast is perfect for that mood. I'll show you how to make it step by step. Place a pan on medium flame. Roast one sliced onion with little oil. Then transfer into a bowl. In the same pan, roast half cup of grated coconut. Then transfer into the same bowl. In a kadai, heat some oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 stem of curry leaves, add 1 chopped onion, saute. Once the onions turn translucent, add 2 chopped potatoes. Mix it well. Add water. Mix it. Cover with a lid and let it cook. Once the roasted ingredients are cooled completely, transfer into a mixer jar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of Goan garam masala, little tamarind. Add water as required and grind into a fine paste. Check if the potatoes are cooked. If the potatoes are cooked, add 2 chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Then add the ground masala. Add water as required and mix well. Add salt as per your taste. I am adding half tablespoon of sugar. You may add sugar as per your taste. Mix well. Once the roast starts boiling, cook it for few minutes. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped and switch off the flame. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. This roast can be eaten with poee, chapati or rice. Goan style tomato potato roast is ready. Sometimes simplicity is all you need, and this tomato potato roast is just that. A little warmth, delicious, and a lot of simplicity, just how I like it. Thank you for being here. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.